Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate Netherite armor trims. Netherite templates are incredibly valuable for upgrading your diamond gear to the strongest material in the game. While finding the first template can be challenging, you only need one to create as many as you desire. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to efficiently duplicate your Netherite upgrade smithing templates, saving you time and effort in your Minecraft adventures. To begin duplicating your Netherite templates, you'll need a few key items. First, ensure you have at least one Netherite upgrade smithing template found in Bastion remnants. Next, gather 7 sparkling diamonds. These are essential for the crafting recipe. Finally, you'll need 1 block of netherrack, which is readily available throughout the nether dimension. Having these materials ready makes the process smooth. With your materials in hand, head to a crafting table. Place your single Netherite upgrade smithing template in the top center slot. Then, put 1 block of netherrack directly in the center slot. Fill all the remaining 7 slots with diamonds. This specific arrangement will yield 2 Netherite upgrade smithing templates, effectively duplicating your original. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. Once you have duplicated your templates, it's time to upgrade your gear. Head to a smithing table and place a Netherite upgrade smithing template in the first slot. In the second slot, put your diamond armor piece, tool, or weapon. Finally, add 1 Netherite ingot to the third slot. This will transform your diamond item into its powerful Netherite version. Remember, each upgrade consumes 1 template and 1 ingot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.